Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google account on your OPPO Reno 15F. So to set up the Google account, I would recommend opening up Play Store. You can click on sign in right here, and first it would check the info, of course, but now we should get the information about our email. So of course we're entering our email now, and if your email ends at gmail.com, then you can just type the name. It will automatically add the other half. So as you guys can see, now it is signing us into our account, but all we do next is simply enter the password. So as you guys can see, it prompts us to enter the password, so I'll see you guys in a second once I enter mine. Now we're just gonna click next, and as you guys can see, it is loading. Now soon we should be able to see who will be using this device, and it depends on who you set this device up to. So you can set it up for your child or for yourself. I'll choose the first option, they don't really matter, but you will be able to add the device to the family group of Google. Now click I agree to terms and service and privacy policy of Google. And as you guys can see, we got the Google services like backups, like stuff, like location, like ads, and etc. So they are all loading up right now. We are already into our account. Make sure to enable this option. Now tap on accept and make sure to turn on the backup so that you can save everything from this device to the cloud, because if you lose your device, then you at least will be able to back everything up. And we are on our Google account. As you guys can see, let's try another thing, like let's say Gmail. As you guys can see, we got the take me to Gmail now, and as you guys can see, it all works perfectly fine. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.